Creative has come out with a brand new collection called In Loving Memory. And it is exactly that. It is a beautiful way to express sympathies and condolences. Sadly, we all need those from time to time, and we're going to have several different elements that are going to be available in the online store. So make sure you check those out as well as all the other creative collections that we have, because there are some new ones that have just arrived as well. Now, this one, let's start with this side right here. I've already removed it out of the packaging. This is the card kit, and the card kit includes enough for you to make 4 cards. Of course, you could probably stretch it some more if you do less layering, and I'll show you what I mean. So in the pack right here, you're going to get the 4 envelopes that go with it. You're also going to get 4 pre-scored, pre-cut bases, really beautiful paperweight, extremely heavy cardstock. And then you're going to get your punch outs as well as your bases or your card fronts. So what these are is you have the card fronts right here that you see, right? There they are. Now, of course, you can mix and match these any which way you like. You can change them around. The only exception might be the boat. You might want to stick to that one because these are punch outs. They come pre-done for you. So all you have to do is pop them out, punch them out. But all you do is layer them on top. So for example, as I mentioned, the boat, you'll notice that it's got 3 different elements here. You go from largest to smallest. So if you're not familiar, you would simply grab this one, add a bit of dimensional foam to the back, and adhere that directly on top of this one. So now you've got 1, 2 layers up, then you would add the next one, 3, and then 4. So beautiful way to create that amazing dimension in a very easy way without having to fussy cut anything or even think about it. Same way with these right here. These would layer on top, and you can see they'll go from largest to smallest. Then you've got the candle here. In this case, the candle, they've used this background right here, not that you couldn't use this one, for example. And then finally, we have the beautiful butterflies, in which, again, we have all the layers needed to create multi-layered butterflies as well. And then, oh, and even this piece that will go around this. And then we've got some beautiful labels, placards that you could write your own sentiments or thoughts. In this case, they are blank. So do they have to be sympathy? Not necessarily. Do they have to be bereavement? Not necessarily. But it's called In Loving Memory. Now, in addition to that, we also have 2 of the creative cutouts that have arrived, number 1 and number 2. So if you're not familiar with these, it's the same concept as those. They simply pop right out. So no fussy cutting, you just pop them out of the page and then you layer them. And you'll notice that you can see how they coordinate with each other. So each layer is going to add that dimension and that depth. Once again, we've got 3 elements that are going to go with this one. We've got 3 elements that are going to go with this one. We've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 elements that are going to go with that one. Oh, 4 actually with this one, and then this one right here. And then we have an extra butterfly in there as well. Beautiful. Just add dimensional foam. I've done a video previously to show you how to layer these. So if you're interested in that video, make sure you check the online, the channel, the YouTube channel for that video. And then we have number 02, and it's the same concept. You can see we've got the vase, we've got butterflies, we've got the bouquet, and then we've got the candle, and then we've got the book, because these belong to the book instead. So great way to, once again, just pop them out, add some dimensional foam, and then you can even add them to your own backings, because we do have these backings or any other paper line collection that you have. But these include 16 pieces, and you can see here how they're recommending that all you have to do is add it to a card front, for example, and then all you have to do is pick out your images and you are done. But these backgrounds are extremely beautiful as well, and they have some beautiful clouds, just very soft colors. So you're going to get 2 of each. And you can easily see how these are just beautiful, very serene, neutral, nature-inspired papers as well. So do they have to be bereavement? Not necessarily. They could be used to make some beautiful other projects as well. And then the same thing goes with the ephemera. So the ephemera includes 23 cutout pieces. And here on the back, you can see what they're going to be. They range from small all the way up to large, which is beautiful because they offer you a lot of versatility. So for example, this one that they had shown us here, remember, that is the butterfly and the door, which is right here in front of us. So it's as simple as grabbing these two, layer them on top of the beautiful papers, and you have a gorgeous card front. We've also got in the pack some different size and tones of butterflies. We've got a beautiful floral cross, a beautiful book or Bible, or just a bouquet. We've got, and again, you can pop these extra little pieces out here for the lantern. So these would be great also for Bible journaling as well, or maybe some passages, just thinking of you, cards. Hope you're feeling better, sending something your way to cheer you up. Get well, hope you're healing. All those sentiments would be lovely. First communion, even wedding. These would be wonderful for weddings as well. Or just maybe some beautiful tea time with your friends. This one reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. Very beautiful. So you could even spin it that way and go Beauty and the Beast if you want to with these. So very versatile collection. Again, we have lots of great lines from Creatif. So if you haven't checked out that line, if you're not familiar with this beautiful, beautiful company and all their papers, they range from the whimsical to fairies to all kinds of great ones. We have some Christmas coming up as well here shortly, which should be in stock in the next month or so. So we're constantly adding to the supply and the stock. All of the products that you've seen here, of course, are available in our online store, plus thousands more. So we certainly hope that you'll check out saxcrafts.com or spectrumartcreations.com. I'm also going to leave a coupon code in the description box, so please make sure you check out the description box for links and coupons and our contact information. In addition, we are going to be doing a giveaway from this video. So make sure that after you have finished watching, which obviously you're up to this point now, so you have, leave a comment down below, because as soon as the video reaches 20 comments, giveaways will start coming in. The more comments we have, the more giveaways we'll do. So please make sure you share this out with your friends and in all of your social media as well. I'm also going to ask that if you haven't already subscribed, that you do so, because we are always showing you new products from around the world, as well as live sales, craft alongs, and so much more. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time that we go live or have a new video. Here are 2 more videos for you to check out as we continue to show you more products or have some fun crafting. I'll see you there. Bye.